This happened on the camera's way home from work. A cyclist was looking another place instead of way. Fortunately, camera noticed cyclist and applied the brakes. It is good that cyclist is not injured. This car accident happened in Russia. Probably lada driver runs a red light and causes a collision. It appears truck saves pedestrian's life.
Ya buraya gitmişler, 2 tane şey koymuşlar baba, yolcu atıyor.
This road rage incident is in Turkey. Kamer was driving along and bus driver just stopped to pick up a passenger. Kamer was so angry because bus driver didn't approach bus stop and didn't signal for changing lane. It appears that black sedan driver wants to turn left, but he loses car control. Seems like the car has major damage. The reckless driver didn't maintain a safe following distance and bumped a Mercedes. Kamer says that he bought the Mercedes 2 days ago. The SUV driver wasn't paying attention to the stop sign and hit a black car. Sedan had major damage. The accident occurred in Russia. In this footage, we see 2 reckless drivers. Fortunately, they weren't so speedy. Probably, gray car has serious damage. This massive incident that occurred in Russia. Toyota Land Cruiser was driven by a 38-year-old drunk driver collided head-on with a car. In this accident, 2 people died and 7 cars had major damage. It appears that 2 young bikers lost the motorcycle control and they jumped off. The driverless motorbike collied another motorbike and stopped. Biker was injured and police are investigating 2 young bikers. That road incident occurred in China. Kamer was driving along and one old lady just appeared on the way. Woman was lucky, but another car bumped the Kamer's car. The accident occurred on August 10 in Russia. An ambulance collided with a Volvo because of high speed and losing control. But 6 cars were damaged. 49-year-old ambulance driver was injured. This footage is a hit-and-run incident in Turkey. 2 young bikers hit the car and they fled. Kamer said that there were only a few scuffs on the side of the car. The 26-year-old driver crashed a fence and here on away. After a couple of hours he was found and was charged with fine for damaging the roads. In this small accident, Honda driver was reversing out of a parking spot and bumped a Mercedes. Probably he didn't use the rear mirror and Mercedes driver didn't notice the Honda. This is another example of driving concentration. Driver was looking another place while braking and didn't notice woman who rides trike. It is unknown if she was injured. This is a great example of why to obey the traffic rules. The camera sees the hatchback driver attempts to make a left turn and biker couldn't have enough time to brake. Unfortunately, biker is in hospital and his condition is serious.